Welcome to my channel Guides to Everything. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell button for more educative videos and watch the video to the end. Access Bank USSD Codes, *901#. Access Bank USSD codes for various transactions are as follow. Airtime top-up for self is 901 amount #. Airtime top-up for others is 901 amount * phone number #. Deactivate account is 901-911#. Pay bills is 9013#. Transfer to other banks is 9012 amount * NUBAN account number #. Transfer to access account is 9011 amount * NUBAN account number #. Check balance is 90100#. Account opening / pin change / registration is 9010#. If you have any questions, do not forget to use the comments button to ask your questions. Be nice to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.